everyone. It is like 6:20 in the morning. And I could probably get some of the rooftop pool, but it's not. Lights aren't on, so, but it's pretty neat. Jeremy locked us out of the room. We'll have to go by and get a room.
Mistakes already been made.
There's a better view of the pool now that nobody's in here. It's like an indoor and an outdoor. It's pretty cool how it does that. We don't have the little things on right now. And it has this little bridge over the lazy river. You can go over and it has a hot tub. Lazy river. That's the outdoor pool. Going over the bridge. Hot tub. There's a little playground. Cornhole again. There's some over there too. Looks like it's gonna be a nice day. Can't really see the sunrise because of clouds.
No, and they're always right there.
I know.
What's the deal with that?
I know. It's not on this side where there's not any clouds. Okay. Big jellyfish right there. Don't touch it, Jeremy. Like all these houses. It's about the only sunrise I want to get. Still pretty. Right behind all the clouds. We'll get one before we leave. We always do. Get a better view of the rooftop pool. Now that the sun's going to come up. Day 30 going to the beach. Got our wagon. We'll walk down to the beach. To come back in for a minute because I lost my other sunglasses in the ocean somewhere. So
One down.
they're long gone.
See,
Yeah.
I mean, we lose this trip.
Oh, I know. My
I ain't
hair's-
losing mine.
I know Jeremy has his good ones. At least we were my cheap ones. Then I got my popsicle while I was in there. And he says he feels like his shorts matches his skin.
Oh, I'm sure they're roasted.
Yeah,
I'm sure it's roasted. They gotta be. We'll find out tonight.
yeah. The beach is super crowded down that way.
Yeah, it's the busiest I think I might have ever seen it.
Yeah, it takes
Which is,
me.
on a normal summer day, it's probably not. I mean, it's probably always like
Oh,
this,
yeah.
but for us, it's,
He's getting his grill ready.
yeah, trying to get this bottle screwed on here.
Nice view to pick out to. There's some grilled chicken that Jeremy made. And
Yeah.
yeah.
Of course, I like mine in big old chunks.
Yeah. We're heading out and going to, I don't know where we're going really. We're going to walk the strip here and see if there's stores or whatever. Might hit up some souvenir shops. Kind of looking for ice cream. So I'm not sure what we'll run into. We're at Mariner Pizza. And Jeremy got some, what was it? Moose tracks and yeah.
Sorry, I must
hooked
spit it out.
up.
Hooked it up.
Yeah.
One supposed to be 2 scoops. You give me 2 scoops each of moose tracks and strawberry cheesecake. I haven't even got to the moose tracks yet.
And I got chocolate and cookies and cream.
Very good.
It is. There's a rooftop pool at night. I may have already got it on video, I'm not sure. And then there's a hot tub. See, it's on the roof. We'll walk at nighttime. I don't know if you can see or not. The movie Jaws. On day 4. It's down to the beach. Like the colors in the sand. Comes the sunrise. Day 4 of our vacay. We're gonna go down and get some breakfast, and they have free breakfast here. Yes, they have free breakfast here too, so that's a plus. Pretty good. It's basic eggs and stuff, but it's really good. So it's a pretty sunrise today. Whenever I got up, the clouds were so pretty. Seagulls in the morning. They're talking. I wonder if that's a baby. I bet it is. The one that's talking.
He does look smaller.
Yeah. Jeremy's making them the most.
All right, here we
for me.
go.
What are you doing? Oh,
Making sure I cut myself shaving. I'm gonna make sure I'm
Oh.
not bleeding on camera. It'd be horrible.
Mhm.
Well, guys, I'm not a pro at this, so I'm gonna have to get a knife. Or you can always use your teeth. Thing is, this cork's probably not gonna go back in this bottle once it comes out. I can just tell he's in the shape
I
like that.
know.
This is how we drink champagne where we from.
Gosh.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot
Watch
that
the
glass.
mirror on
Or the
the.
window, geez.
Yeah. Maybe you shouldn't.
I'll try to hold on to it.
Yeah.
It's right there. There it is. Make sure it ain't gonna overflow. Nah, we're good. Okay.
Mimosa time. It's a pretty perfect day to drink the mimosa and just watch this and look at the sun. So nice. Happy Labor Day, everybody. We are on our way to Myrtle Waves for the day.
It'll be awesome.
Yeah. It's clearing out too at the beach, so that's a good thing. I think everybody's probably leaving after Labor Day, even though today's Labor Day, but they're probably already going back home to work, whatever. But we are trying a new water park. We've never been there before, so I think it's gonna be fun.
Heck yeah.
We're on our way to Myrtle Waves. So I was gonna get this little wax museum thing. It's pretty neat. We've never been to it, but we've been to one in Tennessee, and it's fun. Here is Myrtle Waves. Slides up there. Walking into Myrtle Waves. Sorry, a crowd to get in. Yep. So it looks like it's gonna be crowded. I think today's the last day. We made it to Myrtle Waves. A little slow rider thing. This place for today for maintenance or something like that. There's like a little, I'm not sure what all we have. We'll do a whole walk around. Funnel cake's yum. Everyone's getting lotioned up. We've been on what we wanted to ride on basically. It's not too packed here today, which I'm glad it's not.
Labor Day's the day to come, last day of the season.
Oh yeah. Really not crowded at all. I'm gonna go to the beer garden. He's cracking over his beer, or open his beer.
Shoot, yeah. We'll be good.
Yeah, I like aluminum cans.
Yeah, they're all pretty cool.
They didn't have Michelob though. They had to advertise, but they don't have it.
She goes, well, I'll get you a draft. I'm like, well, if you honor it for the aluminum bottle price, I'll take a draft. And of course she wouldn't. So.
No. There's the flow rider that's closed right now. And a little fast lazy river is closed, but that didn't look very fun.
No, it was
There's
just like a figure eight almost.
Yeah, we like the one at Aquatica, but the lazy river here that we just went in is pretty big. But there's no floats. I don't know.
There are, but I don't know if there's just a limited amount they allow in there or something, and if people
maybe.
grab them, then they
Yeah.
surge. If not, then you just don't have one, I guess.
Yeah.
Because then you'll be walking. I mean,
Yeah,
that's what it
that's
seemed
what
like.
we're
You
doing.
drag your arms through the water, kind of walk with your arms. That wear you out after a while.
Got some Italian ice. Jeremy got sour apple and strawberry.
Very good.
It was very good. I got mango and strawberry. It's so good. You got strawberry too, right?
Yeah.
Sour apple, yeah. Got a little kitty area for Birdie and Bray. Next time we come, if they're with us. Little area. Feels good. Probably a bunch of tea. I know this, okay. Pretty good. The helicopters that keep going by. There's a helicopter ride right down here somewhere. I think it's down the street.
Yeah, it's like right next door, I think.
Yeah. This is a little toilet bowl ride that we did earlier. Called a Reba Tuba. Wasn't that crowded at all when we did it. That's pretty fun.
Busy now.
Yeah, it is busy.
Busier.
Yeah. It's fun ride. You come out right there. You get right into the slides over there. The black one, I don't know. I just don't like black.
Yeah, like closed in.
It
You
does.
can't breathe. No, it's just super hot.
Yeah, make sure it messes with your head. So we didn't do any of those over there. We were wanting to do, but this is closed. We went up to go do it, and nobody was there, and they had it blocked off. Those are what Jeremy did. Those little slides there. There's a little pool there. You can sit there and wait and watch people go down. We did that one early. That was fun. Nice areas.
If a child doesn't learn to swim
quite a
for
few of
third
those.
grade,
Yeah, they
he
do.
never will.
That's nice.
Sign up your kids for
It's
swimming
not a
lessons
huge
today.
park. It's smaller than Kings Island and smaller than one we usually go to. Wild Water and Wheels. It's fun. I think it's really fun.
Yeah.
Wish you had the flow rider on and that other thing. I wouldn't mind trying it out even though it's small, but it's the last day, so they probably are low on the staff. I like how they had the little bridges that go over things. Really, Myrtle Waves. It was a really good fun park. I'd recommend it. We got our tickets off of Groupon, and I didn't pay much for them. I can't remember how much I paid, like maybe 23 maybe. And then they had another 20% off, so I got a really good deal on them. But I recommend it. It got crowded as the day went on, of course. So it's probably packed during summer months, but wasn't too bad today. We got to ride the slide that everyone always rides on, and I don't know, it was good. Good fun day. Now we're gonna go back to the beach and the pool, and I don't know what we'll get into. got to the beach and we had a fun time at Myrtle Waves, and now we're just relaxing on the beach, having us a few drinks, and not sure what we're going to do this evening, if anything, but tomorrow we're just planning on going fishing in the morning and then beaching all day and then going fishing in the evening. So not sure what we're going to do today, but if anybody knows what this is, let us know. We're living on the beach. Just trying to figure out what it is.
You're like
Yes, like
gotta be something off of seaweed or something,
Yeah.
I'd say.
I don't know. It's weird. Be hot?
Oh yeah. I can definitely tell I'm burnt, that's for sure, when I got in there.
Really? I think it feels good.
Feels good though. The pool's a little cold. Pool.
Yeah, the pool
I wouldn't say
is
it's
cold.
cold.
Lazy River was warm.
Yeah, it felt good. Felt real good. Uh-oh, traffic jam in the Lazy River.
Now the hot tub.
Too much.
Too hot.
Too hot. Yeah.
We made it to the rooftop pool. Here's from the rooftop pool. Yep. Pretty neat. It's pretty neat, isn't it? Having
Yeah,
a rooftop pool.
it is.
And a hot tub. It's like right there. And the rooftop pool. Little tiki things there.
Good.
Yeah.
See my
You
little
about-
Dalton kid
you
playing
about
out there?
ran into that lady.
I know, I didn't see her back there.
Pretty neat, though.
Pretty butterfly was in our room.